What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Haven't uploaded a video in a while. It's been a couple months. Haven't had time to do anything, but today we're going to be installing the BC coilovers on the G35. I've had them for a couple weeks, but just didn't have time to install them until today. Let's get it. Alright, so this is how high we are right now. Maybe try to drop it an inch or something. Maybe an inch and a half, 2 inches. Do got some spacers, might just take those off. We'll see what the wheels look like when I lower it. Yeah, I'm thinking about an inch and a half, 2. Here's the coilovers. Boom! Yes, sir. The rears. Adjustable dampening. All that good shit. And those are the fronts. Let's do the damn thing. So, those 2 bolts up there are 12 millimeters. Got the Milwaukee. Easy peasy. One-handed. Oh. Switched up the toolie. Got the big one now. Well, oh, there we go. Out with the old, in with the new. For the bucket, it's also 11/16. Put a wrench on that side so it holds that bolt. Got the bolts off. Give it a good, you feel me? And then, gotta loosen up those ones back there. Pull the bucket out. Put the toe back up. And that's it for that. Yes, sir, it's time. There you have it, all installed. No spring in the bucket. Needs adjustable toe arms. Probably gonna take off the spacers just so the wheels can fit better. Other than that, finish with the rears. We got the rears installed already. Now it's time to do the front. I already did the other front, but I didn't record it. But this one I'll record. Jack doesn't fit under, so I gotta use this first to lift it. Some bullshit, but yeah. the first thing you're gonna do, take off that cotter pin right there. After you take that out, take that bolt off and this will come down. And then unplug that, take that off, move it to the side. This one right here, that's a 12. That's gonna come off. And that one. And that one. 17th or 11/16. Oh yeah. And obviously those three. Also 12s. Did it. This one caused us some trouble, so we decided to just cut that bitch off. Fuck it. Fuck that stock suspension. What you mean? Now it's the moment of truth. There it is. That's the front installed. Finally. This one took the longest out of all 4 of them. This side, it revs when I make a right turn, so I gotta fix that a different day. I did enough for one day. All right, that's a wrap.